What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about Atlas Earth and how each and every one of you can calculate how much your parcels are actually earning you. So with that being said, let's jump in. Alright, so basically you guys can go here to Google Play and download this Parcel Atlas Earth calculator. It is by Pedro Contemplelli, and basically what this does is it calculates your in-game revenue calculations for Atlas Earth. Basically you enter your Atlas Earth parcels and you calculate how long it will take you to make your next dollar. There are basically you just it's optional, really. It's basically just a leader of this app. And to give you a look at what it kind of looks like, this is what it looks like. Here are some of the reviews. Says, that's exactly what I was looking for. I used to do the math myself, but now I can use this. I would like to see the option to see how long it takes to make $5, since that is the minimum payout. Love the app. Would love to see what my earnings are during the 50 times events. Love it. Only thing missing, 50 time boost. So basically this is my this is how many parcels I have. I have 20 common, 19 rare, 5 epic, and 1 legendary. I do about 20 hours of boost a day with a 5% passport boost. So it takes me about 6 days, 11 hours, 2 minutes, and 35 seconds to make $1. I make about 15 cents per day, and I have a total of 45 parcels with a boost tier rate at 30 times. So, and I make 26 cents per 24 hours with the super rent boost. So that's basically a general breakdown of what it's going to tell you when you enter your information. Of course, you could enter whatever you wanted just to see how many parcels it would take to earn that amount, or you could do like I did and enter what you have right now, and it'll tell you how long it will take. Either or, it's a really good handy tool to have around if you are using Atlas Earth. So for everybody out there that's having trouble earning Atlas bucks, or just simply is just starting and doesn't really know where to start, basically what I'm going to tell people is to go in the shop tab, and then you're going to want to play games, really, because that's where most of your Atlas bucks are going to come from. And so if you go to the shop tab, right below the free watch button is the games tab. Basically, you can scroll through here and find whatever game you'd like to play. Here's all my games that I've downloaded, played, I'm still playing, and as you can see, I've gotten a lot of Atlas bucks this way. And that is basically how you're going to get a lot of Atlas bucks really quick. This Parcel Calculator is just a neat, handy tool to use while using Atlas Earth. But yeah, like I said, you guys can enter whatever information in there to see how many parcels equal how much money, or you can enter your information that you have already to see how much it'll take for you to earn $1. As well as, and I forgot to mention, in the top right hand corner of the app, you can also change the your country, and it'll change the metrics for each country. If you like this video, please drop a like on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more earning videos. And yeah, thank you guys again for tuning in today to this video. And I'll see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace. thank all of you for tuning in to this video today for Atlas Earth, and
Motorcycle.